Uzongzalela sikhule sisibongo sakho. You know, believe it or not, this is the second time I'm making this review. Let me actually pause and see. Okay, good. We're good to go. Imagine talking the whole 10 minutes to only find out that there is no voice in your video. Okay, but anyway, this is season 9, episode 7 that we're going to talk about. I might not go according to the scenes, and yes, but the first scene, it started off by them showing them the last scene that we had where Umakay no Mangwabe, they were in a restaurant and they were just talking, you know, and yeah, we get to find out that Umakay Vele, as we know, Nomselego, they have not been seen eye to eye, and Mangwabe is just there continuing and just stating that, you know, girl, what they are saying, and Mangwabe, this time things have really changed, you know, because she's really advocating for Khumalo to forgive Umselego, because yes, not to make other people happy, because yes, Sandla Semfene, it's there that is trying to, hey, Umselego is very lacking. You know, most people, they think we watch Uthando Nesthembu because we are like fascinated or nathi siyasifuna nothando nesthembu. No, the reason is we ask ourselves, is it really possible? Like really, how are these women doing it that I would come and I would beg another woman to go back to our men? Yeah, but anyway, askolapha kusesithenjini la. They understand, but I have friends abakhulele esithenjini and none of them they wish they did. But anyway, askolapho still, let's continue. So Mangwabe is just talking that, you know what, Khumalo, please come back. People are going to be happy, and Umselego says he actually went and took umuntu waseMzumbe because ubonile abantu baseMzumbe uthi hey baziphethe kahle, they've got, you know, maybe he thought if he brings someone as Umakwela from Mzumbe is gonna have the same sentiment and is gonna, you know, and Umakumana is like wait a minute, wait, Bambe, there can never be another Makay. There is Umakay guy one, you know, and even if angabazi sabonke abasemzumbe, no one can ever replace me, even if they can stay in my house Mzumbe, even if they can drive my car, even if they can wear my things, there is literally one Makay. And of which I feel like that is all our power. You are you, I am me, and there can never be another person that is going to be you. So, girl, I take that. Then number 2, she also states that she might be staying because hey Umbali has been there for me, and you know there were times whereby Umbali and Nomselego they didn't see an eye to eye, and I was literally the middleman. Now things have changed, and Siyabona vele things have changed. Umbali is for her man. Yeah, but anyway, fast forward. Let us not dwell much on that scene, but it was nice. It's always nice to see Umakay. Maybe they must really consider giving her own show. Like, oh girl, when she's there, I get vagala. You know, even an episode when Umakay is not there, it's not the same. But as Kolapo, then we see Umselego taking Unwandle to Mzumbe. I really do wish that Umselego can really think and before he talks. The reason why she even said why she blocked Umselego in the first place is the fact that Umselego would just talk, and sometimes like you talk without even thinking. No. Because now we see him sitting down Nolwandle, and sometimes Umangwabe, but the reason we don't get along like the four of us is because of him. He's the reason we don't get along, and it's like when we're getting along, he's not happy. Because tell me why now Umselego uhleli noLwandle, and uLwandle is even saying in the diary session, as ubaba Nyamuzwa uthi I must take care of Umzumbe uyafa. But last time it was Mpumelelo, today it's me. Maybe Nini is going to be Nini, you know, and it's like really Ubonile, what almost happened. So you really need to sit your children down and you talk, and so that things can get along. Because Umzumbe, it means ustakile nje kanje, is because uNwandla is like mos kwakuthiwa uMpumelelo makayenze, and uMpumelelo when he was doing it uMacele was not happy. So you see the confusion. So Christopher needs to sit down and talk with the boys, because usine uchilba waphindeka futhi. So double amaf. That was said by Usne anyway. So we go to the scene that was very interesting, whereby Usne was with his father. Yo, Usne said a lot. Usne said a lot. Ngamakhosikazi kababakhe. And they asked ngamakhosikazi kababakho, abo mamako. We are not in Isitembu. We never grew up in Isitembu. We don't wish for Isitembu upon our life. But I think when you are in Ghana as a Stenjin, you understand more than we do that these are all your mothers. That's why when they confronted you last season, you were crying. And Mangwabe was like, I used to, if you're going around saying, I ask you for your role, how about the times so now, Sne, these are your mothers, and also how Selegu was just sitting there listening to Sne, Baba, bayakdelela labantu laba, ubathengela izindlu, yo, take them out. Why are you still taking care of them? And Selegu, for once, said something that was like, okay, all right, okay. Like, I cannot not do anything for amakhosikazi wami, because banabantu bami. They've got abantu bami, banengane zami. So if I am punishing them, I am punishing my kids, your sisters, your siblings. Sneh, so Sneh needs to be mindful of what she's saying. And also as umzala, I remember, I'm gonna say this, when I was a kid, a call came through. I hope I can still be audible after this call. But what I'm saying is that I remember when I was a kid, my mom sent me in Nestor. And then when I went to Yochelikiwa, it's why in Nestor, the lady was just saying, hey, mama, then when I went home, I was like, Mama, just low piece leyo ba ubuthunywa yikiwa not indaba zabantu abadala. So I was like so surprised when Umselegu kept on listening when Usne was just talking, bad mouthing her mothers, and it's like yeah. It's like when that guy last month was like, hey, last week back and like yes, there's someone on my side, but no, that's not how it goes. That's not how it's supposed to be. And Usne needs to be very careful, because wow. And also again, I almost missed the part whereby when Umselegu was with Ulwandle did say that there might be a possibility that ukhulelisiwe as Umselegu, even if he wanted to act like uthukile, but yamazi uyabathanda abantu and abantu who are coming via the boys, because siyabaza bakasine, but abaza via the boy uyabathanda. But I wish the show, as big as it is, as we always talk about it, we are not even in the country, but we are following the story. I wish they can use the platform to be teachable as much as possible. First of all, iqale Pakubo, as the four of them, how do they, now five, how do they maintain that they keep themselves safe, they keep themselves not having like diseases? How do they maintain that? How do if they can? It's a big platform for them to be able to teach, and bafundisa abantu, how do they maintain themselves according, are they, like, yes, those are the things that they need. Because even now when Unwandle is like umithisile siyamazi vele umsebenzi actor I think it was Mayene at some one point whereby he was telling Umpumelelo, you need to protect yourself, uzogula when, so we don't know, we're going to see. And also again on the next coming episode, we see there's a pregnancy test there, so we don't know whether ega Sne or ega Lwandle or Gamakwela, but we are going to see tonight. But wow, ezasemzumbe azipeli. I'm just so sad that maybe in a few weeks time we are coming to an end of this season. I hope and believe, I wish there could be a family trip somewhere somehow, but sometimes I wish like Sne, we would have loved to see it because content manje lapha. Otherwise, bye. My time is finished.